My name is Steve McConnell, and I'm a partner here at McConnell & Sneed. My law partner Rob Sneed and I specialize in personal injury and also emphasize business litigation. And we've really been focusing on Lawyers.com and LexisNexis to help us make our new business successful. It's incredibly competitive to be a personal injury attorney here in Atlanta. I really think that the web is marketing for the 21st century. Yellow page phone books go into a drawer now with the magnet included and don't usually come out. I went to Lawyers.com and used Lexis way before we ever came out to start our own law practice. It's a very reputable product that's looked highly upon in the industry. Martindale-Hubbell, LexisNexis. It's something that both lawyers and potential clients go to as a resource. We decided to go with Lawyers.com because it allows people outside of Atlanta, and we practice throughout the state of Georgia, to go on and find the perfect lawyer that'll suit their needs. Our return on investment has been spectacular with regard to our Lawyers.com sponsorships. And the reason I say this is the cases that the marketing that we've done through Lawyers.com generate revenue far in excess of what we've invested initially in our first year and a half of practice. The return on investment is reciprocal to the amount of cases we get, and we're really getting more and more cases with regard to how much we invest with Lawyers.com. Well, the great thing I like about working with you and with Lawyers.com is that there's an infinite amount of opportunity out there. Obviously, the number one spot for personal injury law in Atlanta is a significant investment that as a new firm we're not willing to make or not able to make. However, marketing the outlying counties and the outlying areas in Georgia for these same practice areas has proven remarkably successful. I drive down the street and grit my teeth when I see billboards, and I keep telling myself that internet marketing is the way to go. And I truly believe that it is, and that's where our focus has been. And I'm always tickled when I do a Google search for something in Atlanta and our name comes up through the Lawyers.com, the Martindale-Hubbell, and the LexisNexis marketing investments we've made. Lawyers.com has really allowed us to go outside of our particular niche marketing. We're marketing in the greater Atlanta area for these different causes of action. But people get on the internet, and we'll get someone on the internet in Albany, Georgia, or Savannah, or Augusta, and their access to the internet is the same as someone sitting right next door to our office building. The street traffic on the internet is limitless, and we've been getting calls from throughout the state, and we represent people throughout the state. And I attribute that exclusively to what we do on Lawyers.com. It's better than a billboard because the traffic that goes by a website's a lot more.